Good morning, everyone. I'm Jefferson Agustina Villanosa from the Bachelor of Elementary Education 3A. So for today's video, we're going to talk about the set of integers and the number line. So class, before going to proceed, I want you to listen carefully for our topic. So, let's start. Okay, the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students are able to identify what is the set of integers and the number line. Second, students are able to give examples of integers. And the lesson is, the students are able to sustain interest in studying and observe silence during discussions. So, let's proceed. Okay, class, what do you notice on these numbers? Okay, what do you think? Okay, as you can see, those numbers are what? Have a negative sign and a positive sign. So, in the left side, you saw numbers with negative sign. While on the right side, you saw a positive sign. So, let's proceed to know what is our topic for today. Okay. As you can see on the picture below, that is what we call an integers. So, what do you think is integers? Okay, very good. Integers are, or an integer is a number with no decimal or fractional part, from the set of negative and positive numbers, including 0. Okay. You have to remember that numbers with no decimal or fractional part from the set of negative and positive numbers are integers. Did you get it? Very good, class. That is the integers. So, can you give me an example of integers number? Yes, very good. Number 5. Okay, number 6. Very good. Give yourself a clap. Okay, let's proceed for the next slide. Okay, as you can see on the photo below or on the picture below, what do you have noticed? Okay, this is a straight line with arrow. Okay, that is what we call the number line. Okay, a number line can be defined as straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. A number line can be extended infinitely in any direction and is usually represented horizontally. A number line can also be used to represent both positive and negative integers as well. Okay, number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segment along its length. And also, it is extended infinitely. Okay, as you can see on the number line, it is have an arrow that can be extendedly or extended infinitely. Okay? Are you guys have the knowledge what is integers and number line? Very good. Now, let's proceed. Integer number line. So, on the picture, okay, you saw a negative integers and positive integers. So, we're going to talk about that. Okay, let's proceed first to the positive integers. An integers is a positive if it's greater than 0. Example, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, we can say that the number is positive, it is greater than 0. Very good. And a negative integers or an integer is negative, it is less than 0. Example of this is negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. So, did you get it? Okay, let's recall. A positive integers is a number greater than 0, while the negative integers are the number that is less than 0. So I hope you get it. So next, let's proceed to the 0. A zero is defined as neither negative nor positive integer. It is a whole number. Example, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 1, or negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So 0 will define as a whole number who will represent as a what? 0 will be representing to know what is the negative and positive. So, did you get it? The nice one. Integers can be positioned in order on a number line. As we move to the right on the number line, the number get larger in value. As we move to the left, the values get smaller from the number line above. We can see that a positive integer is greater than 0. Similarly, negative integers are less than 0. So, okay. Example picture. So, as you can see on the picture, the positive integers are placed on the right side of the number line, which if the number move to the right, the value of the number will get higher, while in the left side of the number line, which is the negative integers, when it is moved to the left, the value of the number will get smaller. So did you get it? Very good. Now let's proceed. Okay. So let's study the following examples. Compare the following pair of integers. Okay. Number 1 is positive 8 and positive 7. Number 2 is negative 6 and negative 7. Number 3, positive 11 and positive 13. And then the last number, negative 12 and negative 11. So, can you compare the following pair of integers? By observing the number line, we can say the following. Positive 8 is to the right of positive 7. Therefore, positive 8 is greater than positive 7. Negative 6 is to the right of negative 7. Therefore, negative 6 is greater than negative 7. Positive 11 is to the left of positive 13. Therefore, positive 11 is less than positive 13. Negative 12 is to the left of negative 11. Therefore, negative 12 is less than negative 11. Class, if you truly understand our topic for this morning, I want you to answer the following. Write the integer represented by each situation. Okay? We will check that if you answered those questions. So for number 1, the temperature is 18 degrees Celsius below 0. The altitude is 75 meters above sea level. Number 3, the corals are 15 meters below sea level. Number 4, he has a weight loss of 5 kilograms. Number 5, she spends 375 pesos for a dress. Number 6, took 5 gallons of water upstairs. Number 7, she drive 2 kilometers. Number 8, the sun's atmosphere is below 10 degrees Celsius. For number 9, he gained 10 kilograms. And for the last number, Anna is turning 18. Okay, let's check if you truly understand our lesson for today. So for number 1, the answer is negative 18 because it is stated that 18 degrees Celsius below 0. Meaning to say, if we put it on the number line, we are going to move to the left from 0 below to the 18 degrees Celsius. So, meaning to say, it is negative 18. So, for number 2, the altitude is 75 meter above sea level. So, it is positive 75. The keyword is we need to be knowledgeable when it comes to keyword. So, for the temperature, for the number 1 question, the keyword is below, which is negative. And for the number 2 is, the keyword is above, the word above, which means positive. Or we're going to move to the right, while the below word or the keyword below will move to the left. So for number 3, the corals are 15 meters below sea level. So below, it is negative 15. Number 4, he has a weight loss of 5 kilogram. Weight loss, meaning to say, reducing. Meaning to say, it is moving backward to the negative. When we put this on the number line. So, negative 5 is the answer. So, number 5, she spent 375 pesos for a dress. She spent, meaning to say, her money will reduce because she spent 375 of pesos for her dress. So, it is negative 375. Very good. Number 6, he took 5 gallons of water upstairs. The keyword is upstairs. He took 5 gallons of water upstairs. So, it is positive 5. Number 7, she drive 2 kilometers. She drive 2 kilometers. Okay, there's no word to she drive backward. Oh, but she drive 2 kilometers. So, it is positive 2. Number 8, the sun's atmosphere is below 10 degrees Celsius. It is negative 10 because we saw the keyword below. Number 9, he gained 10 kilogram. It is positive because he gained, the word gain. Okay, very good. Now, for the last number is, Anna is turning 18. Turning 18, or for turning, or the word turning is our keyword. So, turning, when we say turning, it is, you are going to move to the right because it is positive. It will added yearly to her age. So, it is positive 18. So, that is our topic for today. It is short discussion, but next meetup or next discussion, we're going to tackle about the addition of integers, subtraction, multiplication, and division of integers. So, but for today's, that is our topic about the set of integers and the number line. So, I hope you learn a lot of things for today's discussion. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you!